Understanding hair shedding and hair breakage, differences, causes, and solutions. Hair shedding and hair breakage are two common concerns people face regarding their hair health. Though they may appear similar at first glance, these conditions differ significantly in their causes, appearances, and treatment methods. Recognizing the differences between them is essential for addressing the underlying issues effectively. This article delves into the distinctions between hair shedding and hair breakage, exploring their causes and providing actionable solutions. What is hair shedding? Hair shedding refers to the natural process of hair strands falling out from the scalp as part of the hair growth cycle. This process is normal and happens as hair progresses through its life stages, the anagen, growth, catagen, transition, and telogen, resting, phases. Hair strands in the telogen phase eventually fall out, making way for new hair growth. Causes of hair shedding. While some hair shedding is normal, excessive shedding can be a cause for concern. Common triggers include natural growth cycle. On average, a person loses 50 to 100 hairs daily as part of the natural shedding process. Stress and anxiety. High stress levels or traumatic events can push a significant portion of hair into the telogen phase, causing temporary hair loss known as telogen effluvium. Postpartum shedding. Hormonal changes after childbirth often lead to increased shedding, which typically resolves after a few months. Dietary deficiencies. A lack of essential nutrients, such as iron, zinc, or biotin, can contribute to increased shedding. Medical conditions. Conditions like alopecia areata, thyroid disorders, or scalp infections may cause excessive shedding. Medications and treatments. Certain drugs, such as chemotherapy, or changes in birth control, can trigger significant hair shedding. What is hair breakage? Hair breakage occurs when the hair shaft becomes weak and brittle, leading to the snapping or breaking of hair strands at any point along their length. Unlike shedding, where the hair falls out from the root, breakage involves damage to the structure of the hair itself. If you've watched this video this far, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. Causes of hair breakage. Hair breakage is primarily caused by external damage or improper care practices. Key factors include heat styling. Excessive use of flat irons, curling wands, or blow dryers can weaken hair, making it prone to breakage. Chemical treatments. Frequent coloring, bleaching, or relaxing hair can strip it of moisture and proteins, leading to brittleness. Overmanipulation. Constant brushing, tight hairstyles, or using hair extensions can stress the hair shaft, causing it to snap. Environmental damage. Exposure to harsh weather conditions, like excessive sun or wind, can dry out hair and increase breakage. Lack of moisture. Hair that is not adequately hydrated becomes dry and brittle, making it more susceptible to breakage. Poor hair care products. Products containing harsh chemicals, such as sulfates or alcohol, can strip hair of its natural oils, weakening the strands. Split ends. Untrimmed split ends can travel up the hair shaft, causing further breakage. Key differences between hair shedding and hair breakage. 1. Point of hair loss. Shedding. Hair falls out from the root, often accompanied by a small white bulb at the base. Breakage. Hair snaps along the shaft, and no bulb is present at the broken ends. 2. Appearance and symptoms. Shedding. You may notice hair on your pillow, in your comb, or in the shower drain. It usually involves longer strands. Breakage. Hair may appear frizzy, uneven, or shorter than usual. Breakage can lead to thin or brittle ends. 3. Underlying causes. Shedding, linked to internal factors like hormonal changes, diet, or medical conditions. Breakage, primarily caused by external damage or poor hair care habits. 4. Reversibility. Shedding, often temporary and reversible once the underlying issue is addressed. Breakage, requires consistent hair care practices to prevent further damage and promote healthy growth. Solutions for hair shedding. Balanced diet. Ensure your diet is rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly iron, biotin, and zinc, to support hair health. Stress management. Practice stress relief techniques such as yoga, meditation, or regular exercise to reduce hair loss caused by stress. Address medical conditions. Consult a healthcare professional if you suspect underlying conditions like thyroid issues or alopecia. Gentle handling. Avoid harsh brushing or pulling that may aggravate shedding. Hair-friendly products. Use sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners to maintain scalp health. Scalp care. Massage your scalp regularly to stimulate blood flow and encourage healthy hair growth. Solutions for hair breakage. Limit heat styling. Reduce the use of hot tools, and always apply a heat protectant when styling. Hydrate hair. Use deep conditioning treatments or hair masks weekly to restore moisture. Trim regularly. Regular trims help eliminate split ends, preventing breakage from spreading. Protective styles. Opt for low manipulation hairstyles to minimize stress on the hair shaft. Gentle tools. Use wide-tooth combs and soft bristle brushes to reduce friction. Moisturizing products. Invest in products formulated for dry or damaged hair, such as leave-in conditioners or serums. Protect against the elements. Wear hats or use UV protectant sprays to shield your hair from environmental damage. When to seek professional help. If excessive hair shedding or breakage persists despite following these solutions, it's crucial to consult a professional. A dermatologist or trichologist can evaluate your hair and scalp condition, identify underlying causes, and recommend targeted treatments such as medicated shampoos, supplements, or therapies like PRP, platelet-rich plasma, or laser therapy. Final thoughts. While hair shedding and hair breakage may seem similar, understanding their differences is key to addressing them effectively. Shedding often stems from internal factors and can be managed by promoting overall health and addressing underlying conditions. Breakage, on the other hand, results from external damage and requires consistent care and protection of the hair shaft. By implementing proper hair care practices, nourishing your body, and seeking professional guidance when necessary, you can restore your hair's strength, vitality, and natural beauty. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, bye.